Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to Elna's Alteration. Today we're gonna make some little repairs. Nothing major, but you know we all hate it when we buy a brand new dress or garment, wash it the first time, and guess what? And here you get out of the wash and the dryer, and what do you find? You have a little rip here. See? And usually what happened is in the factory when they put it together, this side and this side didn't line up really well. They just got the edge of it. So as soon as there's a little bit of tension, you got the rip. But you see, it's not only on this side, but it's also on this side. So we have a triangle we need to do. Before we can do anything, we're gonna have to give some reinforcement over here so we can reattach it without having any wrinkles. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do this, okay? I'll meet you back in a sec.